How to create Litmatch account. So if you want to create a Litmatch account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to just go and launch your Litmatch application. Make sure that you've installed from your App Store or your Play Store. After installing, now if you want to create an account on Litmatch, then you can either continue with your Facebook or your Google. So I'll just simply go with Google, and after that select an account that you would like to continue and go with agree and share. And now you need to enter your nickname or your name that is visible on your profile, and then enter your birthday. So go with the date, month, and the year. And after that, go with your gender and go with done, which is on the bottom. Go with confirm. And now you can select the age range. And after that, go with the gender that you would like to see on the application. Go with done, which is on the bottom. And you can either skip this part or you can just proceed. I'll just simply go and skip this one. And you can choose your avatar. Go with done. And if you want to turn on the notifications, then you can go and turn it on. But I don't want to allow the notifications. I'll just simply skip this one. And that's it. Your account has been created. That's how you can create a Litmatch account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.